Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Many people are becoming disillusioned with crypto airdrops due to increasing scams, delay in token launches, and lack of real value. However, there are several legitimate online investment opportunities that people who enjoy low entry or passive digital income can shift to. And in this video, I am going to give you a list of alternatives along with brief explanations. So if you are tired of crypto airdrops and there are some of the fake promises that they make and they scam, just like recently we have Mimify that did not pay very well, we had Stone Market, we had so many, and just recently Ice Batch, after paying 1.5 ton, even to get what the token they are given, it's difficult even now to claim. So in this video, here are a list of alternatives along with brief explanation of alternative investments that you can go into. Number one is staking legitimate cryptocurrencies. Staking legitimate cryptocurrencies. What it is, locking up your crypto assets in a wallet to support a blockchain network, and what do you get in return? You earn a reward. Why is this legal or why is it legit? It is established blockchains like Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana offer real returns. The expected return on investment is 4% to 15% APY depending on the coin. It is best for people who already hold crypto and want passive income. Number two, investment or business or passive income stream you can look at is peer-to-peer lending platforms. What does this peer-to-peer lending platform do? Lending your money to individuals or small businesses online through platforms like Mintos, Afrinvest, or Carbon in Africa. Why it is legit? Regulated platforms often work with financial partners and provide interest on your capital. The expected return on investment is 8% to 20% depending on the risk tier. And this one is best for investors seeking monthly returns with manageable risk. Number three way you can also make money online if you are tired of the crypto airdrop is online mutual funds and ETFs. What does this mean? In this case, you are going to invest in bundles of stocks, bonds, or other assets managed by professionals via apps like RiseVest, Truth, or Bamboo. Why is this legal? It is regulated and backed up by real financial instruments. So all these ones I'm giving you, they are regulated and they are backed up by real financial instruments. The expected return on investment is 10% to 15% yearly. It is best for long-term investors who want portfolio diversification. So if you belong to a cooperative that gives you 4% or 5%, that you're going to pay back 4% or 5%. So you can take the money from the cooperative, put it here, and then you get 10% to 15%. So the 10% you return 5% to the cooperative or 4% or even 6%, and then you keep the change. So the next one I want to look at is dividend paying stocks via apps. In this case, this involves buying of shares of companies that pay out regular dividends. And companies like Coca-Cola, Microsoft, and MTN have consistent dividend histories. The expected return on investment in this case is 2% to 8% annually plus stock value growth. It is best for people who want a mix of passive income and capital appreciation. Now, number five is forex and crypto trading bots. And in this case, you have the automated trading software that buys and sells assets based on preset rules. Why is this legit? When used with caution and reputable brokers like Derive, Binance, OctaFX, and others, you are going to be able to make your money. The expected return on investment varies greatly, high reward but also high risk. It is best for tech-savvy users willing to monitor and manage risk. Number 6 is affiliate marketing programs. In this case, you promote digital products and earn a commission for every sale or sign up, e.g., Amazon, Binance, Lenoflix, and Impact.com. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing on this my YouTube channel, I have a dedicated playlist that carries you on the journey on how to start and how to make money from affiliate marketing. So in this case, companies pay you based on performance. The expected return on investment is unlimited based on effort and reach. It is best for content creators, social media users, and bloggers. Then we also have real estate tokenization platforms. And in this case, you buy shares in real estate properties using blockchain, e.g., Realty and Property Share or Realtopia. There are many others. And then the property is backed and offers fractional ownership. Then the expected return on investment is 6% to 12%. Then you have rental income plus capital appreciation. And this is best for investors looking for asset-backed digital investments. Number 8 is online course creation or digital products. And in this case, you create and sell ebooks, courses, templates, or platforms like Gameroad, Seller, Teachable, or even Udemy. And you create once and earn continuously. The expected return on investment is high potential if your niche is in demand, and it is best for experts in any field or passionate educators. Then we also have number 9, which is the Web3 micro task platforms. And in this case, you earn crypto by completing small jobs on Earn Crypto, Galzi, Zili, or Layer 3. Why is better than airdrops? You earn based on actual contribution or actual work. The expected return on investment is small per task, but cumulative income is possible. It is best for people with time and consistency. Number 10, which is the last but not least way you can make money online if you are tired of crypto airdrops, is buying and selling domain names. This is also referred to as digital real estate. In this case, you buy domain with future value and sell them at a profit. Platforms like GoDaddy, Options, Namecheap, or Avtemic allow legal transfers. The expected return on investment is 100% plus if you pick a good name. It is best for strategic thinkers and trend watchers. If you are tired of empty crypto promises, shift your focus to value-driven platforms where your skills, capital, or time are truly rewarded. Airdrops can still be fun, but the real financial growth comes from consistent, legitimate efforts. So this is where I'm going to draw the line in this video today. If you have any questions or comment for me, drop it in the comment section below. And again, this is Dr. Olumingaletun's YouTube channel. On this channel, I teach you how to make money both online and offline. What are you going to do now? If you have gained value from this video, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video to your family and friends, and drop your comment and questions in the comment section below. Until I come your way in the next one, don't forget to watch other videos on my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.